There was an amount of 18.95 billion allocated for LGSF in the fiscal year 2025 budget. However, the NTA already provides LGUs with larger shares of national taxes. In this light, there is a risk of redundancy of patronage, as this fund is released through DBM and DILG discretion. For fiscal year 2026, the BARC has proposed a 5.9 billion injection into the previous 5.5 billion allocation, bringing the total LGSF appropriation to 10.9 billion for 2026. Information has reached this representation that the LGSF has become a tool for political preferentialism. First question is, how much of the fiscal year 2025 LGSF remains undisbursed as of late?
Again, Mr. Speaker, I'm sorry. Can you repeat the
How
question?
much of the fiscal year 2025 LGSF remains undisbursed as of late?
Madam
as of the
Speaker,
present.
we don't have any knowledge because it's under the DBM, Madam Speaker. Mr. Speaker.
No knowledge po because
Nasa DBM po, Mr. Speaker. What we can only provide is SBDP and SAF-PB.
kahit ballpark figures po, percentage.
We can only
disbursed.
provide the numbers of SBDP, Support to Barangay Development Program, and Support and Assistance Fund to Participatory Budgeting, Mr. Speaker. Yun lang po yung kayang i-provide ng DILG. Yung iba po, it's under DBM,
Okay.
Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, distinguished sponsor. With
And
over
we are very much willing to give you the data,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Speaker.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sponsor. With over 959 billion flowing automatically to LGUs through the NTA, why is there a need for the 10.9 billion more in the DILG LGSF? How is this amount justified when it risks being an overlapping mechanism? What unique purpose does the LGSF serve that it is not covered by the NTA?
Yes, it's not sufficient to cover the needs of the barangays, Mr. Speaker.
Hindi po enough
It's not enough, Mr. Speaker.
ang NTA.
Yes.
So, kailangan pong dagdagan through the LGSF.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
Even with the 959B, hindi pa po sapat.
We have 82 provinces, 149 cities, 1489 municipalities, and 42,000 barangays, Mr. Speaker. At iba-iba po to. May coastal, may barangay, may bundok, may island barangay. So, not necessarily pag nabigyan natin ng tubig, yun lang kailangan pa ng daan, kailangan pa ng eskwelahan, kailangan ng kuryente. Ganun po yung sitwasyon ng ating po mga pangangailangan down sa barangay level, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Esteemed sponsor, what safeguards ensure transparent and equitable distribution across LGUs when, unlike the NTA that is formula-based, the LGSF is released through the discretion of the DILG and the DBM? How does the DILG make sure that the release of LGSF funds is fair and not based on political favoritism? Will DILG commit to making a public dashboard, performance dashboard, showing how much each LGU gets?
Yes, we already have under the DILG, but we can only commit with the SBDP and SAF-PB. Yun lang po yung ini-implement ng ating pong DILG, and meron na po tayong criteria